Welcome to another video on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the fischertechnik TXT controller, running embedded Linux and connected to a laptop using Wi-Fi. Laptop is also running Linux. Now, usually I start with how it connects, how it powers. In this case I thought to just go ahead, but the SSH connection is not working out. That may be that some of the connection parts aren't ready, which I don't think so. So my SSH command is not doing anything right now, like it can't connect. Here everything runs. I should get a connecting request, but as you can see, nothing happens. So let's go debugging, trying to find an error, and yes, connection times out. So I have some error checking to do. So as you can see on this screen, I have pinged it and it finds it. So it is there. The question is though, why doesn't it find it? And I realize I forgot something. So I'll do that right away. Not that it matters too much, but let's try again. You never know. And no, this will not work, which means that let's quit this. Then via RoboPro, let's see if this is working. Doesn't work either. That means that I am going to, indeed it doesn't work, reboot the controller. So off it goes. Power on, and then we'll see whatever happens. And by now I have gained access to the controller, so that's good. Let's test, and that will be once again here one, that's good, here one, that's good. The motors, one 8 and 8, it will be this one including this one. Good. And the same goes for this one. That's good. Okay, so this proves that it just works. It has no sonar, although that may be an idea to include sonar, but that's for much later, because the most important thing is to use this onboard camera, which should not be obscured by the wiring of the camera. Okay, that works. So I don't need to read out the battery voltage because there's no battery at the moment. Which brings me to the last part of everything, which means testing. Let's say 400. That is absolutely excellent. Which reminds me that I forgot one thing. Apart from that, I need to set the date, which is by now 10:02. Time is 20:13. Right, that's better. Now the question is, what are the pictures? 2000, unfortunately, so I'll run them again, and then I'll have them with the correct date. Yep, let's take 400 again. Okay, going to this one for ImageMagick command display. TXT image 19:10. Yep. Alright. Now the interesting thing is, what does result do? That is quite nice, by the way, because this is red. This is disappointing. They should have taken all of this as well. And yeah, this is alright. Although this is disappointing. No, this is alright. But this is disappointing. Okay, so be it. What next? Well, actually, Blender, because although a proof last time showed that it didn't really work out again yet, let's just do it. So I am going to remove the scaffold here. And let's see if, because now it gets interesting, how much speed is necessary to let it run. And the floor is quite slippery, so I should actually use some cloth that I used in the past. And this doesn't work. So 500 is too much. Desired speed 450? No, okay. This doesn't sound very good, by the way. So 410. I hear the motors. So what if I go back to 400? Because this error is not quite normal. Uh, 400? Nope. Okay. In a normal situation, I have less time for Blender now, but so be it. 400. Yeah, it doesn't walk. It doesn't really walk now. Okay, I have to find this out, unfortunately. Time for some modeling then. And the problem with Blender is that I'm still struggling with the gears. I recently made this one, and right now I don't even know which gear to take. It says translate, but that's not the point. So let's go. That's this one. That is that one. But the big problem still is how to re-edit gears. I think I've struggled long enough because this is absolutely not good. Can I select it? Yes, I can select this one. So why can't I select this one in the same proper way? Let's just remove it. I know I can duplicate. Is it wise to do? Probably not, given my previous experiences. But this is also not a good gear, better than what I had. And if I go here, where do I go? Anywhere or anyway? That one. I don't even know which gear this is. Okay. Something. Oh, that's a very different gear. Oh, that's that one. Ah. That is that one. So how does this one become gear 15? That doesn't make sense to me. Okay, let me just try a quick look up how to add gears, because that is with add. I can add them, mechanical and then gears, but how to re-edit, that's another question. Right, short one. Unfortunately, although this is the real stuff, of course, in here there's only some GitHub and a YouTube source about it, which doesn't really explain how to get back into the edit mode, or I am too impatient. So I have to examine that. Getting rid of this gear. What I also have to do is getting back. Let me see how I can do that, because here I started with bringing things to normal measurements in centimeters and failed to do that. So I have to redo a lot of stuff here. It looks good, but that's all it is right now. It looks good. So with that said, I'll leave Blender here for this episode. Right, so with some questionable results on the part of the robot and on the part of Blender. As I thank you for watching. If you like this video anyway, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. And you can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. You can show your support if you would like to by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. More information, please see my website or under this video. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my video or on my website or with my videos. This is of course going to be continued. So for now, have a nice day. Thank you for watching and bye bye.